Welcome back, friends. And today we have this Microtech Socom Elite. So the specs is the handle length is 5 inches. The weight is 5.3 ounces. Here's the look. It's an aluminum handle. It's got this like a olive green coating on the handle. Got this cool carbon fiber insert. You got the glass breaker there. Tip down carry. So the overall length is 9 inches. The blade is 4 inches. You can see it's the Tonto edge. The blade steel is S35 VN. Made in the USA. Serial number 1384. Socom Elite. Tonto edge. Microtech. Born March of 2012. So this awesome blade is already 6 years old. You can see it's got the open flow construction, so easy to clean out. Just throw a rag through it or some compressed air. It's got this unique liner lock. It's like a mid liner lock. I forgot the exact terminology that they called it, but the liner lock goes from, you can see it from right there. Dual thumb studs. Very easy to close. Very smooth. There was 2 versions of this particular model. They had the let's see, it was like a, they called it the skateboard texture insert, and it was like the skateboard tape is very grippy and rough. And then they had the carbon fiber insert, so I elected for the carbon fiber. The blade grind is a flat grind. and it's a plain edge. The handle width is 1.3 inches. So the cutting edge of the blade is 3.7 inches, and the blade thickness is 0.19 inch. And the blade width is 1.1 inch. Very sharp. Microtech seems like they do an excellent job to make sure that all the blades that they ship out are razor sharp. If I could do one thing differently with this, I would have got they call it the clip point profile instead of the Tonto edge, just because it's a little easier to sharpen if I need to. But I haven't needed to sharpen this yet, because like I say, they do a fantastic job of making sure that their blades are very sharp. I did see that there's a newer version of this Socom Elite that Microtech has updated. Some of the big features is that the lanyard hole is a little different design, and then the pivot screw, they have a like a owl wrench pivot where you can adjust it. This one is their proprietary Microtech screws. And then on the new version, I noticed that there's an extra little screw like right in the handle. So I'm not exactly quite for sure what that is for. And on their newer version, they only have 2 screws compared to the 3 here. These are the Microtech proprietary screws, and then the new version has just the 2 owl wrench screws. And then on the newer version, they have 2 screws down here, and I'm not exactly for sure what that is about. Something maybe I believe what it is that if you want to remove, where if your lock bar wears down, you could ship it back to Microtech, and then they could remove it by just removing the 2 screws here, and then insert a new lock bar. It seems like so they reduced here with just 2 screws, and then added 2 screws here, and then added an extra screw here. So, but this is definitely a great knife. You can see it's got just a little bit of belly for slicing here. Definitely a user and a carry blade. It's been been with me, and I've carried it for so long. Generous lanyard hole. The jimping is if if you need to apply a lot of pressure to poke into say something hard like maybe a piece of leather. The thumb ramp here slash jimping is very effective. And they do have some jimping up here, but I don't quite understand what that's for. It's not really uh, doesn't have much function. Maybe if you're wearing a glove, it does. It does, but and it's got this black coating to help with the reflection and to minimize rusting. Fantastic knife, the Microtech Socom Elite. And until next time, friends, have a great day.